River. We told you about that yesterday morning. Heads up on that. 19 cold degrees for us right now in the Quad Cities. Some single digits not that far away to the north. So you got some frost to scrape. And that kind of had me thinking, when do we usually see our last frost here in the Quad Cities for the spring? You got a ways to wait. It's usually Mother's Day. You remember Craig Hignite, our plant and garden expert. He tells you, yeah, Mother's Day is typically the last frost in late April, early May. You got it. That's how long we're going to have to wait. So you got some frosty mornings still ahead of us. Make sure that scraper is nice and sharp and ready to tackle those mornings because there will be more of them. We are going to get a nice rebound in temperatures this afternoon as we work our way into the upper 30s and actually low 40s, I think is a good bet. Mostly sunny skies. That sun going to feel very nice. And we'll keep some sunshine around through tomorrow. So a lot of our snow is going to melt the next couple of days, nearly all of it with the exception of shaded areas. But the next round, yeah, it's going to be moving in already by Thursday. This one looks very similar to the snowfall that we just got through. So you've got snow working in by the mid-afternoon. Also, we're going to notice we're pulling in some dry air. So that means that this initial snow here is going to be eaten away by that. This is 1 o'clock, by the way, on Future Track. But I think by 2, 3, even as we get closer to 4 o'clock, yeah, some snow is going to start falling. Untreated roads Thursday evening will be slick for that commute. Heads up there. And then we'll see the snow work out of here late Thursday night. I think Friday morning will be okay. But accumulation potential, yeah, it's there. I think about an inch or two in the Quad Cities, closer to 3 inches as you go a little further south. Geneseo, Kewaunee, Galesburg, Monmouth, Burlington, Wapello, perhaps even south of Muscatine, picking up close to 2 to 3 inches of snow. So again, very similar to what we saw with this previous system. Not too much different there. For the weekend ahead, yeah, bitterly cold for Saturday morning with temperatures in the single digits above zero there. St. Patrick's Day parade also Saturday morning too, so bundle up if you're going to be hitting that event. And then much warmer as we get into next week. So let's track the start of that warm up, show you how this is going to work because we're going to transition from winter to spring again. So right now, Arctic blast, you've got the jet stream all the way down to the Gulf Coast at times. And really the strongest part of this air mass, the strongest part of the cold air, Saturday. There it is, March 12th. And look at the core of the cold sitting right on top of the Quad Cities. But by the time we get into next week, that Arctic blast modifies. We pull in the jet stream from the southwest. That's going to bring much warmer temperatures. And as you saw there, 60s likely next week. Even the possibility that we could pull up a 70-degree reading by the time we get to Wednesday or Thursday of next week. But with the jet stream in this kind of an orientation, it also means we have to watch for any energy coming along that jet stream to take advantage of not only the warmth, but the moisture that's going to come back in. We saw what that resulted in over the weekend. But right now, it looks like it's going to be quiet at least through Tuesday. We'll keep an eye on that. Sunny skies expected today. Get outside and enjoy a little bit of that warmth if you can this afternoon.